Dear viewers, in this video you will see how to make such kind of a profile in Solidworks. Okay, so go to Solidworks. Take front plane sketch. So the total length is 100. So if you take about this center line axis, this object is symmetric. So I'm going to draw only one part of this, then I'm going to mirror the other side. So take a line for 19 mm. So first I'm going to take center lines. So these are the reference lines. 19 mm. Okay. Then I'm going to have a line like this for just random length, because I don't know what is the distance, but I know the angle. Okay, this angle should be 45. Okay, because here it is given this total angle is 90 degrees, so if you take 1/2 it would be 45. Okay, so if you take from this center point to here it would be 50, because the total length is 100. If I divide this 2 by 2 you will get 50. Okay, so what I am going to do, again take a center line. So from here, so I am going to draw a line for 100 mm, sorry, not 100, 50 mm. Okay, this is the end point. So from here you can start here and you can go up to here. Okay. So you can trim off this portion. Now if you see, they have given a radius of 19 mm here. So go fillet, you can select here, give radius as 90. Okay. Now if come in the downward direction, it should be 19. You can check the diagram also, it should be 19. And here they are given two radius, one is 12.7, another one is 25. So what I'm going to do, take a circle. Okay, take this as center and put a circle for a diameter of, so radius is 12.7. So here you can give the 12.7 into 2. Here you can give a expression also, arithmetic expression. So next you connect a line from here to here up to this circle. Okay. Now you trim off this unnecessary portion. So before trimming of this, I will extend the center line. Okay. So here you can see extend the center line up to here, because if you trim the circle without extending, this entire circle will go. So I want to remove only this side portion. So trim entities like this. Okay. Now you can do the fillet here. The radius is 25. You select here, new radius 25. So now I got the one half of the sketch. Okay. To get the other half, so you can go mirror entity. So you can select all this entity, select this line also, and then mirror about, select this line. And see, I got this profile. So you can give the radius also here, so just 25. So now we'll check the angle also here if you want. It is 90 degree. Now I'm going to extrude this for 2 mm. Extrude 2 mm. This is the final product. Thank you.